Hey, what's going on? This is Dylan, and today we're trying something new. So here's the Rode, what is this thing called? VideoMic MEL, and it is made specifically for the lightning connector on an iPhone that doesn't have a headphone jack. So all those ones with no headphone jack. It's right there. The idea is what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this against the regular microphone in the iPhone. So let's talk about the pros of using a microphone like this. This is one of those tools that doesn't cost a whole lot of money, but it really can up your game with your audio when you're trying to do Facebook Lives, YouTube Lives, all sorts of things like that, where you're really trying to clean up the audio, especially when you're in a noisier environment such as we are today. We've got a parking lot, we've got streets, we've got wind, and that's probably blocking most of that out so that all you're concentrating and it's on me having this conversation with you, as opposed to this. Now, switching over to just the iPhone microphone, we unplugged the Rode MEL with the dead cat on it, and you're just listening to the normal microphone. It probably has changed a fairly significant amount. And so you can kind of tell, especially if it were windy. Of course, now I'm trying to test this and talk to you about it. The wind has died down. It's possible that you can't hear any of that right now. But you get the idea, the difference between a quality microphone and just the normal iPhone. I've actually never been really that impressed with the audio that you get from a regular iPhone microphone. I wanted to test how good this thing does in wind, but we didn't have any wind, so we're gonna make our own wind. So this is what it sounds like when you have a drone inches above your head blowing on you. Now let's put this on and see if it makes any difference. All right, give me all the wind you can. I feel like I'm being attacked by a bunch of bees. But I bet you can't hear any wind. I mean, look how little it is. Super tiny. And it's just got that little lightning adapter, and you just plug it into the bottom of your phone and you're good to go. Here's the thing about audio. Have you been watching YouTube before and you make it about 15 or 20 seconds into a video and then you're like, man, I can't even hear, or it's all scratchy, or there's some kind of problem with the audio? You know, sometimes you can deal with bad lighting. Sometimes you can deal with bad editing. Sometimes you can deal with awkward camera angles. But once the audio kind of sucks, I'm out. I can't even listen to a video like that. So, audio is important. Well, before we close out this video, I'm actually out shooting some other product stuff for the website. But before we close out this video, we need to go through some of the comments from the last video. Like I said I would start doing. This is kind of fun. Does shielding affect your guitar tone? We did a little experiment with the magnet. Obi-Wan Kenobi says, it's first time Dylan smile. Come on, bro. Life is good. Ha ha ha. Okay. It's because I'm having more fun with these videos. And I know that there's been a lot of haters in the comments because we've been breaking stuff and cutting stuff apart and trying stuff. But I'm having way more fun with these videos. And I'm really enjoying making them. And so I hope that you all continue to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, little bell. You know what to do. And as the Patreon thing grows too, and we're able to actually buy more gear for this stuff and then give it back to you, it's just going to continue to get more fun. HK says that dude with the shades was great. What do you think? Should we bring him back as some sort of like bro dude jerk character as part of our videos? And if so, I'm thinking, I mean, should we name him? Like, what should we name this guy? And Jeffrey Telmo says, nicely done. Thanks. Anyway, I just wanted to always go through a few of these. I appreciate everybody commenting on the videos. Say hi. Maybe we'll give you a little shout out in our next video. And make sure you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, the little bell next to it. I'm going to finish shooting these stills for the website. Make sure you check out Dylan Talks Tone because we're redoing a bunch of stuff. I think you're going to really dig it. We'll talk to you soon.